Wings traffic, Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, 12 miles to the west, inbound landing wings.
Ramsville traffic, Warrior turning right base, runway 29.
Oh man, this does look busy.
It's on traffic, White Cirrus on a final for 25, place down.
The Cirrus is south, right?
Left base 25, following the Cirrus, Delta.
Wings traffic, Cirrus taxiing to runway 24, wings.
Traffic, blue, my banner cut, banner in tow is turning.
Okay, I'm going to go bias to the right now so I can go do a downwind entry for 24.
Somerset traffic, Cherokee 578, turning left base, runway 30, Somerset.
Okay, we're below 3,500.
Turning final, runway 29, Ramsville traffic. Somerset traffic, Cherokee 809, turning left, crosswind 30, Somerset. Morning. Good morning, Mark. Somerset traffic, Cherokee 578, turning final, runway 30, Somerset.
Average traffic, 569 or 5 check out, turning left crosswind, runway 26 for left downwind departure.
Somerset traffic, Cherokee 809, turning left, downwind 30, Somerset.
Wings traffic, 10 star 6, right downwind, runway 6, wings.
What? You just heard that, right?
Yeah. Somebody, two people on final approach, opposite directions.
1000 departure to the east, Somerset.
Okay, autopilot off. Let's stay here. Where is this airport anyway?
Average traffic, 569 or 5 check out, left downwind, runway 26, eastern departure, negative ETR coverage.
I have lots of lights on, including the big flashers.
Wings traffic, Roger 462, Flower Shop is taxiing from hangar 3 to runway 24, wings.
Wings traffic, 10 star 6, right base to final 6, wings.
The traffic, Cherokee 809.
Okay, field in sight.
30, Somerset.
Affirmative.
Wings traffic, Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, now 4 to the west, planning to enter a left downwind for 24 wings.
Wings field, November 256, Foxtrot Alpha, taxiing to runway 24 from the upper ramp.
Somerset.
Where's this? Oh, the guy probably already landed, actually, the runway 6 guy. Good. Better slow down.
Traffic, 10 star 6, clear the runway.
Good. Air again from that Cirrus, did you?
He may have landed.
Yeah, it's possible.
Archer weighing is 10 star 6, we can hold for you if you want to taxi.
Oh, no, we'll give way to you guys already there.
10 star 6, thanks.
Wings traffic, Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, entering left downwind runway 24 wings. Below there. Okay, mixture prop done, fuel tank's good. Gears down. Couple planes waiting.
Air traffic, Cherokee 44 Delta Zulu, departing the pattern to the north. Last call. Your traffic.
One of them just took the runway.
Twin Star 784 Kilo Mike, taking off runway 24 and we'll be departing to the north. Wings traffic.
I'm going to give him some room. Wings traffic, Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, just turning left base, runway 24 wings.
Roswell traffic, Seminole 2242, inform 10 miles to the south, inbound for full stop landing, 29 Roswell.
They're rolling. Wings traffic, Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, now on final runway 24, traffic in sight, departing traffic in sight, wings. All right, 3 green. Mixture prop. Let's slow down a little bit.
Wings traffic, Twin Star 784 Kilo Mike is departing the pattern out to the north. Wings traffic. Roswell traffic, Seminole uniform 6 miles to the south, set up for midfield crosswind 29 Roswell.
Wings traffic, Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, clear of the runway, wings. And he said they would get a marshaller. Oh, and they said, oh, this is Bravo, right? Yeah. Taxiing in front of this helicopter here, but what I'm supposed to do. We're supposed to go to the upper ramp.
Robbinsville traffic, Skyhawk 508 Fox Golf, 5 miles to the west inbound for a right downwind runway 29, Robbinsville. Roswell traffic, Seminole 2242 uniform, 2.5 miles south, entering a
Marshaller Danish jacket on there.
Bonanza, how long you staying at wings?
About 6 hours, Bonanza.
You make it right there, and park on a T-spot facing the FBO, please.
All right, T-spot facing the FBO, probably one of the ones with ropes there, 2 Tango Mike.
Say that again.
Sirius departing runway 24 wings.
Roswell traffic, 2242 uniform, not a mid.
Chucks?
Yep.
Bravo traffic.